Explain construction of Buchholz relay. So here in the figure you can visualize the Buchholz relay, the gas operated relay, which is mainly used for the protection of the transformer, which is oil filled. It works on the principle of the gas accumulation in the main tank. This is the only type of relay which gives the warning signal before the tripping action or say occurrence of fault. This relay is used to detect the incipient fault, and this incipient fault is a fault which is not significant initially, but if not taken care for certain amount of time, which is a quite longer duration, it will result in a serious internal fault. Now this gas is produced due to the decomposition of the oil because of the continuous operation of the transformer, and the current flowing through the winding is heating up the oil in the vicinity. So it is filled with the oil and is placed between the main tank and conservator tank. You can see the position. This is the main tank of the transformer, which is a bulky one or huge one, and this is the conservator tank above the main tank, and in between the Buchholz relay is connected like this. There are two floats, out of which these two floats are there. One is kept for the alarm purposes and one is for the tripping purposes. You can see this. The first upper float is for the alarming and the lower float is for the tripping of the circuit. There is one glass tube on it. You can visualize this. These are two glass tubes which is filled with the mercury, and it is tilted at the end. You can visualize this. It is tilted. Now when the oil heated up or say oil decomposes, the gas is produced and this level of the oil is reduced in the Buchholz relay. So the oil reduces down and this float becomes straight like this, and this mercury bridges the gap and the contacts are closed, due to which the alarm is initiated. This alarm is visualized in the control panel. Now during the normal position, as stated earlier, the tube is tilted position. Two leads are taken out of it. One is dipped in the mercury while the other is slightly above. You can visualize this. This is above the mercury, this is the above mercury. So there is no bridging of the mercury or no contact of the two leads, and the circuit is opened. Now when the tube becomes horizontal, these two leads are shorted with the mercury or by the mercury. And the mercury, as we all know, is a conducting material. The leads of this float is connected to the trip circuit or the alarm circuit. The other float is connected above the first. The same kind of glass tube is filled with the mercury is also provided on the on this float. It is also in the tilted position, and the two leads are taken out from it. One is dipped in the mercury while the other is slightly above. Now when the tube becomes horizontal, these two leads are shorted and the mercury bridges the gap and the alarm is initiated. The release cock is, you can visualize this. This is the release cock available or given to release the excessive gas pressure accumulated at the top of the relay, and the trap gases in the upper portion can be used for the analysis purposes of the which type of fault, where the fault occurred, and this analysis is termed as dissolved gas analysis, DGA, which discriminates between the healthy condition and the faulty condition and the type of the fault. So this is the constructional detail, and obviously this tank is made up of a metal material or say a material which is fruitful enough to handle this assembly properly, and it is completely filled with the transformer oil. So these are some constructional details of the Buchholz relay.